Hi, I'm Joel Gibson, and today we're going to be looking at how to make an online teaching portfolio. It is very important for teachers to have a teaching portfolio. Thankfully, we live in a day and age where most things are done digitally. This has made it much easier for educators or students training to become teachers to gather their documents electronically. There are a number of websites to choose from when considering what platform you would like to use for crafting your online portfolio. I personally have chosen Weebly, one, because it is free, and two, because I believe it is by far the most user-friendly. So what you'll do first is you'll search for Weebly.com, www.weebly.com, and you will go to a screen where it will ask you to log in or sign up. If you have not already signed up, you will need to create a username and password. Since I have already created a username and password, I will be logging in my information right now. Before we take a look at my personal online teaching portfolio, I'm going to walk you through the stages, starting with creating the site initially. So right here, since I already have, I'm currently on one of my sites, I'm going to click over here to the right and click Add Site. On this page, you will click on I just need a website. Next, you'll choose a theme. There are multiple free themes to choose from, so I would not advise purchasing any upgrades. The free packages offer you a variety of themes and styles and allow you to take advantage of a number of layouts and formats. So I believe that I have used for two of my websites the Muse Technologies. And once again, I've chosen this website just because of the simple layout. Next, you'll click Start Editing. After you click Start Editing, this will be the page that pops up. You will now have to pick a domain name. So, for the sake of the video, I'm going to type in test1234.com. See what pops up. As you will see, the subdomain name, which is the one that is free, is unavailable. So I will type in another domain name, see if I can get a domain that is free of charge. See. Okay, testjoel12.weebly.com is available. All right, now that our subdomain is set up, you will now proceed to edit your page. Once you get to this page, you are free to make edits as you choose. Before we get too deep into it, one of the things that you may want to look at is the type of pages that you want displayed on your online portfolio. You can edit and change your page titles by clicking on Pages. You will see here the dashboard reflects what's on the page right now. So on the page we have Home, Services, About, and More. So if I want to remove services, all I have to simply do. So if I wanted to delete this page, all I would need to do is come over here to Services, click on these little dots right here, and click Delete. If I wanted to add a page, Click Add, Standard Page. And I can make it anything I want to. Let's say I want to include a page that is committed to my resume. I would simply rename the page Resume. Click Done. And now I can move this where I want to. If I want it to appear first, I can put it up here at the top. I want to move it down, make it the second. And as you'll see, it is immediately reflected on the page. At this time, I'm going to back out and I'm going to show you my personal online teaching portfolio. In order to switch pages, all you'll need to do is click on this right here in the top right-hand corner and click on Manage Sites. You are now looking at my personal online teaching portfolio. And you can kind of see how I have this laid out here. Beginning, the first page that people will see when they click on, when they go to this website is an About Me. And at the About Me, you have your name, a picture of yourself, and titles that you have held in the past or titles that you desire. Here I've included an About Me. This is just kind of a simple biography of yourself, a short biography of yourself. At the bottom, I've included contact information. I have also included a page committed to my resume, transcripts and certifications, teaching philosophy, lesson plans, and samples of my graduate work. This is very easy to do. Weebly makes it very easy and simple to add any files that you would wish to add to this page. So if you wanted to upload a sample of your work, all you would need to do is come over, scroll down to File, drag, click, and then I can just click to upload the file. So go down to EDUC 631, and I'd like to upload my annotated bibliography here. And you can add as many of these as you would like. When you're done, go up here to the top right and click Publish. And so now, once you're published, your website is officially up and running. And this is your link. So one of the neat things about an online teaching portfolio is that you're able to take this link and you can actually post it on your resume. Here's a copy of my current resume. As you can see, I have my name, address, phone number, email, and then a link to my online portfolio. This makes it much easier for potential employers to look at your teaching portfolio without having to reach out to you and ask you to provide all this information. And so all they have to do is pull up your resume, copy the link, and then paste the link, and there it is. So there you have it. This is how you create an online teaching portfolio using Weebly.